How to fix Call of Duty Warzone download failed on PS4. Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the download failed error when trying to download Call of Duty Warzone on your PS4. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure your PS4 is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or wired network. Go to Settings, Network, Test Internet Connection to verify. Method 2. Restart your PS4. Turn off your PS4 completely. Unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. Method 3. Clear download queue. Go to Notifications, Downloads on your PS4. Cancel any stuck or failed downloads related to Warzone. Restart the download from the PlayStation Store. Method 4. Free up storage space. Go to Settings, Storage, and check if you have enough free space. Delete unnecessary games or apps to make room for Warzone. Method 5. Rebuild PS4 database. Turn off your PS4 completely. Hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps, about 7 seconds. Connect your controller via USB and select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. Method 6. Update system software. Go to Settings, System Software Update. Download and install any available updates. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more PS4 troubleshooting videos.